Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of AI agents. You hear the term everywhere, but what can they actually? Today we'll break down how these intelligent systems perceive, decide, and act to achieve their goals. We're talking sensing the environment, crunching data, making choices, taking action, the whole 9 yards. Think of it like reverse engineering a magic trick. Once you see the mechanics behind it, you start to understand how these systems are changing everything from how we search for information to, well, how we even videos like this one.
All right, so first things first, perception. Just like us, an AI agent needs to take in information from the world around it, but instead of eyes and ears, they rely on sensors and data inputs. Think cameras and microphones, sure, but also things like user queries, system statuses, even stock market data. Whatever the AI agent is designed to interact with, that's its environment. Now, this data can come in all shapes and sizes, from raw numbers to images to text. That's why the next step is crucial. Data by itself is useless unless you can understand it, right? That's where interpretation and processing come in. The agent needs to turn this raw information into something meaningful. Think of it like translating languages. The agent uses algorithms to extract features, clean up noise, and analyze the context of the data. This could involve anything from identifying objects in an image to understanding the sentiment in a text message. It's all about turning data points into actionable insights. And once the AI agent has a grasp on what's going on, it's time for a decision. This is where things get really interesting. Based on the processed information, the AI agent now has to figure out what to do next. This is the decision-making stage, and it's where things like logic, strategy, even a little bit of intelligence come into play. Some AI agents rely on predefined rules, a set of instructions programmed by humans. Others use more complex methods like heuristics, which are like mental shortcuts based on past experiences. But the really cutting-edge stuff? That's where we get into machine learning models. These models can actually learn and adapt their decision-making based on new data, which is a whole other rabbit hole we can explore another time.
Chapter 4. Action from thought to reality. Okay, so the AI agent has sized up the situation, crunched the numbers, and made a decision. Now it's time to actually something. This is the action phase, where the AI's choices turn into real-world effects. For a robot, this might mean physically moving or manipulating objects. For a chatbot, it could be sending a response to a user's question. For a self-driving car, it's adjusting the steering wheel or braking. The key thing here is that the action is directly tied to the AI agent's goals. Everything we've talked about so far, perception, interpretation, decision-making, it all leads to this moment where the AI agent interacts with its environment.
Chapter 5. Learning and Adaptation, Leveling Up. Now here's where AI agents start to get really interesting. See, most AI agents aren't just stuck in their ways. They can actually learn and adapt over time, just like we do. This is where techniques like reinforcement learning and supervised learning come into play. Essentially, the AI agent gets feedback on its actions and uses that feedback to improve its future decisions. Imagine a chess-playing AI. Every time it loses a match, it learns from its mistakes and gets better. Over time, it can even surpass the skills of its human programmers. This ability to learn and adapt is what makes AI agents so powerful and versatile.
Chapter 6. Feedback loop, the cycle of improvement. So, we've gone through all the steps, but here's the thing, it's not a one-time process, it's a continuous loop. The AI agent perceives, interprets, decides, acts, learns, and then it starts all over again. Every cycle is a chance to refine its understanding of the world, improve its decision-making, and get better at achieving its goals. This feedback loop is what allows AI agents to constantly evolve and adapt to new challenges. It's what makes them such a game changer in so many different fields.
And that's how AI agents work. From perception to continuous improvement, these intelligent systems are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. They're automating tasks, providing personalized experiences, and even pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI agents are poised to transform our world in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.